Samir Wankhede was born between 1984 and 1988 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. According to his Wikipedia page, he belongs to the Maratha caste. In March 2017, he married popular Marathi actress Kranti Redkar in a private wedding ceremony. He is a 2008 batch Indian Revenue Service officer and is a representative for the Tax Intelligence Agency. As an IRS officer, his first posting was at the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, where he was appointed by the Deputy Minister of Customs. But later, because of his acute abilities and sharpness, he was further posted to Andhra Pradesh. Infamously, in the year 2011, he even levied custom duty on the Cricket World Cup trophy because it was made of gold. He's worked as Deputy Commissioner of Air Intelligence Unit and Additional SP of National Investigation Agency. From 2008 to 2020, Samir Wankhede also worked as Joint Commissioner of Directorate of Revenue Intelligence and Zonal Director of NCB. He is reportedly known for not giving custom clearance to many celebrities till they disclosed the goods bought in foreign currency and paid tax on it. After his return to the home cardon, Wankhede was posted as Joint Director at the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence between 2017 and 2020. In his stint with the DRI, he busted one of the biggest gold smuggling cases, where 180 kilograms of gold was smuggled to Mumbai. During this case, the investigation and functioning of the NCB was criticized, and questions were raised by many political leaders, especially by Nationalist Congress Party leader Nawab Malik. Coming back to the recent incident that brought the top cop in the news, on October 2, 2021, a 22-member team headed by Wankhede raided a cruise near Mumbai and busted a party where drugs were allegedly found on some passengers. The agency has so far arrested 20 persons in the case, including son of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, Aryan Khan, who is now out on bail. During his tenure at the NCB, Wankhede has been instrumental in taking action on drug peddlers and suppliers and has been successfully able to bust several syndicates dealing in drug trafficking. In the last 2 years itself, a probe led by Wankhede and his team managed to seize drugs worth Rs 17,000 crore. He was awarded the Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Work in 2021, and his tenure at the NCB was extended by 6 more months, right after the cruise ship drug bust case. Wankhede, who is currently posted as Mumbai NCB Unit Zonal Director, had come to the NCB in 2020 on a loan from the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence for 6 months to probe a case pertaining to the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on June 14, 2020 in Mumbai. The case was first being probed by the Mumbai police and was later transferred to the CBI. After involvement of drugs in the suicide case, NCB was also alerted in the matter. During this time, Samir Wankhede, a senior official at the Internal Revenue Service, was investigating actress Riya Chakrabarti in the connection with the drug conspiracy. On October 16, 2021, Nawab Malik further questioned the role of another independent witness, Fletcher Patel, listed by the NCB as a punch, witness in at least 3 cases. The Maharashtra minister cited social media posts to highlight the link between Patel, a former army officer, and Yasmin Wankhede, the sister of Samir Wankhede. In one of the pictures, Fletcher Patel referred to Yasmin Wankhede as Lady Dawn. Responding to the allegations, Yasmin Wankhede questioned Nawab Malik's intentions and even threatened to file a defamation case against him. Nawab Malik has warned Samir of legal action against him, as an organized crime was executed for a year in this city. Crores of rupees was collected. And on Monday, November 1st, Wankhede approached a special court against the allegations of extortion leveled against him in the cruise drugs seizure case. Samir Wankhede in particular has come under fire from NCP leader Nawab Malik, whose son-in-law was also arrested by the same Samir Wankhede-led agency on the accusation of possessing drugs, which the court said were some herbs. Nawab Malik claims that the NCB tried to pass off 200 kgs of herbal tobacco as cannabis. The NCP leader also produced photographs of the NCB's seizure, alleging that the pictures were taken inside Wankhede's office. Later, Nawab Malik raised questions on Samir Wankhede's caste, claiming that he is a Muslim and forged his document to clear the MPSC exam to get a government job. Malik asserts that by regulation, Muslims cannot obtain SE certification, and because Wankhede is a Muslim, it is illegal to claim SE status to get a job. Nawab Malik has accused Sameer Wankhede of extortion, involving friends as witnesses in cases, etc. A recent allegation in the ongoing case against Wankhede is that he made a witness in the drugs on cruise case sign on blank papers. He is now facing serious bribery allegations in connection with the same case. Prabhakar Sail, an independent witness of the NCB in the cruise ship drug bust case, alleges that Sameer Wankhede was part of a bid to demand Rs 25 crore in exchange for the release of Aryan Khan. Wankhede categorically denied the allegation. However, the NCB took note of Prabhakar Sail's affidavit and initiated an inquiry by the agency's vigilance department into the matter.